Monday morning, guys. This is John, and welcome to Code at Kwento. I'm a bit excited right now because, I'm sorry. I'm pretty bit excited right now because yesterday I was out and about shopping and trying to buy some gears. So, yeah, in the beginning of this clip, I've showed you some unboxing of what I have right now. So I upgraded my iPad, upgraded the mic of the camera that I'm using. So right now I'm shooting with the Rode Video Mic Go. So let me know in the comment section below if you're hearing me better this time. Um, so, speaking of upgrading items, upgrading gears, upgrading your stuff, I have some tips on how we can efficiently upgrade our things. So, parang bago ka bumili, ano yung mga bagay na dapat mo isipin. So, the first thing in mind that I have right now is ask yourself before buying that stuff or buying that gear if that gear would be an asset or liability. So, when it comes, don't worry, this is not an economics, a business, or an accounting class. To make it short, Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has defined assets and liabilities as assets is anything that puts money in your pocket, and liabilities are anything that takes away money from your pocket. So, kapag yung binili mong bagay is nagdadagdag ng income para sa'yo, it will be an asset. Or, kapag yung binili mong bagay is nag-aalis or nagiging expense, then that is a liability. So, with that in mind, you must ask yourself if the thing that you have bought will give you money in terms of money making, business making, skills, and it will eventually pay itself, right? Will it be a liability? Especially if you're just buying it for just the wants, not the needs, but just for the impulse of buying it, right? Dahil bago, dahil sale. Another thing is, yung kung kailangan mo siyang bilhin ng accessories, kailangan mo pagandahin, kailangan mo, alam mo yun, yung everything that you have to spend money, but hindi siya nagbabalik ng money para sa'yo. So, yeah, that's the first thing. Ask yourself before buying the gear, is it an asset or a liability? So, the second tip I have for you guys is when buying your stuff or when buying your gears, pay it with cash. Never use credit cards or loans or home credit to purchase things that you want, right? Kasi, let me give you this concept of credit, right? Kapag nangutang ka kasi, you are robbing your future self. Kapag nangutang ka, ninanakawan mo yung future na ikaw. Why? Kasi yung budget dapat ng future na ikaw, ginamit mo ngayon. So pagdating ng bukas, or pagdating ng isang araw, or pagdating yung future na ikaw, diba, yung ikaw sa future, wala na siyang magagamit na budget kasi ipambabayad niya yung budget niya dapat ng utang na ginastos mo ngayon. Right? And another benefits on paying things that you want in cash, kapag binili mo siya ng cash, mas magkakaroon siya ng discount. Right? For example, yung pagbili ko ng iPad, and it happens to me twice, pag binili mo siya with credit card, ang price niya is around 20,000 pesos. Kapag binili mo siya ng cash, mababawasan siya ng 5%. So 5%, ang laki ng tipid. Kasi yung 5% na yon, pwede mo siyang itabi or ipambili ng, say, accessories like case or stuff like that. And it happens every time I purchase things. Another concept of why you should buy your gears in cash is that kapag hindi mo siya kayang bilhin ng cash, wag mo siyang bilhin. Kasi hindi mo siya kayang bilhin. 'Di ba? So ngayon, kailangan mo tanungin yung sarili mo kung gusto mo talaga yung bagay na yon is paano ko siya mabibili. So kailangan mo mag-ipon, alam mo yun, make it a goal, make it a target goal instead of purchasing it on a whim with a credit card or with a home credit, like So, pag-ipunan mo yung bagay na gusto mong bilhin if hindi mo siya kayang bilhin ng cash. Kasi once na maipon mo na yung pera na yun, right? Eh, mapag-iisip mo, worth it ba tong pera na to para ipambili yun, di ba? Worth it ba yung lahat ng overtime ko? Worth it ba yung lahat ng, alam mo yun, yung hirap ko sa trabaho? Worth it ba yung lahat ng yun para lang mabili tong bagay na to? And usually, kapag nakaipon ka na para dun sa bagay na yun, may much better nang lalabas, which is much better na yung mabibili mo kaysa dun sa original na target mo. For example, sa experience ko, I have an iPad year 2014. But in year 2017, may lumabas na bagong series ng iPad, which is yung iPad Pro. At ang kagandahan ng iPad Pro is you can use an Apple Pencil that has a pressure sensitivity on it. So bilang web designer and graphic designer, I like to do some doodles every time. So gusto kong bilhin yung iPad Pro. Kanya lang sobrang mahal. As in sobrang mahal. So ang ginawa ko is I started saving for it. And now yung iPad Pro is 1 year older na. Right? And I have enough funds na to purchase the iPad Pro. Pero, may lumabas na mas bagong iPad. Hindi siya iPad Pro, but iPad 2018 o yung tinatawag nilang iPad 6th Gen that supports Apple Pencil. The only feature why I would be buying the iPad Pro. Right? And it's way cheaper than the iPad Pro. As in, 50% much cheaper than the iPad Pro. Ang binili ko yung iPad 2018 because it has all the features that I need from an iPad Pro. Though hindi siya mas kasing taas ng specs ng iPad Pro, but I don't need those specs. I just need a specific feature ng iPad, which is yung ability na makapag-draw ka through a stylus, right? So, alam niyo yun, it pays off to save up for the thing that you wanted and eventually have yourself think if gusto mo talaga yung bagay na yun or if let yourself think if there are better alternatives than the thing that you originally wanted, right? And yeah, third thing, if you have a special someone or a family member that you trust, a friend that you trust, ask them, right? Ask them before you purchase something, right? So, get their thoughts. Kasi minsan yung mga suggestions nila na napapansin nila based sa purchasing habits mo or sa mga items na meron ka would be very helpful for you to assess whether you have to buy it or do you really need it or not. Right? If wala ka namang kaibigan, wala kang special someone, malayo ka sa family mo, as in wala kang mapagtanungan, look out for the reviews of the item that you wanted, right? Kasi minsan, parang hindi ka magsisi dun sa item na bibilin mo. You have to look at the testimonials, the people who have purchased it, ano yung experience nila, yung features ba talaga na hinahanap mo dun sa item is really helpful or gimmick lang ba yung mga ganon? Kasi minsan, marketing is really good at tempting us into buying something. Pero unless na matest mo siya talaga, di ba? Doon mo lang masasabi kung talagang yung features na yun yung kailangan mo. Minsan, or madalas, huli na kasi nabili na natin yung item. And then, yung features pala na hinahanap natin or yung thing na gusto natin, yung reason kung bakit natin binili yun is not really working as good as we expected it. So, yeah. Then again, that's about it on upgrading your gears. Those tips really helps me into developing my personal finance, and alam mo yun, yung way of looking at things when it comes to self-discipline, kasi minsan impulsive buyer ako. So, to discipline myself, I have to ask those things before I do the purchase. And hopefully, my upgraded mic has given much of boost in the audio. And let me know in the comment section below, what are your tips before you purchase things or before you purchase gears? And until the next video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks and bye-bye!